We up in the Philippines, any questions, all you do is ask. You can get it right from Sass in the Philippines. Sass in the Philippines, all you gotta do is use your passport, then you get a pass to the Philippines. Sass in the Philippines, all you gotta do is use your passport, then you get a pass to the Philippines.
Good afternoon, guys. Today I'm going to cook Pinoy or Filipino spaghetti. Well, we have a lot of version on how to cook of Pinoy spaghetti or Filipino spaghetti. Everyone have their own version. There is no right and wrong here. Just cook it the way how you like it. But my version, I use the following ingredients. I have mushroom, garlic, onions, bell pepper. I have 3 colors here, but I will not use all of it, probably 1/4 of each kind. And I have Jupran banana ketchup, 3 pounds of ground beef, hot dog, ham. Well, I'm not using all of it. Like I said, I use only enough for this recipe, probably 1 cup maybe. And I have shredded cheese. It's mixed shredded cheese. There's a white cheese and yellow. And spaghetti noodles, sweet Filipino style spaghetti sauce, salt and pepper, and black pepper. Okay guys, let's go start cooking. First, we have to chop all these ingredients first. Alright, samahan nyo ako guys. Let's go! Is enough for this recipe. Okay guys, now what we have to do now is the brown the ground beef. And while we're doing this, I have pot boiling in there for spaghetti noodles, and we have to put a little bit of olive oil. While we're browning, we have to break it apart so that we don't have a chunky meat. Okay guys, the pasta water is boiling. Now we can add the spaghetti noodles. This is 16 ounce, 1 pound. So we will cook this one according to package instruction. It says 15 minutes. Google, set alarm for 12 minutes. Alright guys, the ground beef is already brown. Now we have to drain the grease because we don't want the extra fat. Alright, let's go drain it. Okay guys, now we can go ahead and saute all the vegetables. I'm going to use the same pot. Okay. Put olive oil. Make sure you keep one eye on the noodles. You don't want to overcook it. Gotta put the garlic first. Now we can add the onions. Smells so good. I wish you can smell it. Now we can add the bell pepper. We can put all this now. And the mushroom. Along with the chopped ham. Saute for a couple minutes. Then you can go ahead and add the ground beef. Just let it saute. Now we can go ahead and add the salt and pepper. And salt, I put this much. I use the pink salt. Then we can adjust it later. Alright, the noodles is done. It's 12 minutes up. Hey Google, stop. You can check it. Yeah, it's done. We can drain it. Now we can add the ground beef. Oop. Now we can drain the pasta. Pasta noodles done. You can go ahead and drain it. Pasta drain. Now we can add spaghetti sauce. I use the UFC sweet Filipino style. This is a sweet sauce. We're gonna use the whole thing. And now I can add the Jufran banana ketchup. Oh, will not come out. Use this. Come on, get out there. I have to get it out. Comment down below how you get it out, ketchup from the bottle. Oh, oh gracious, how can I get it out? Come on, help me. Here we go. Get out, get out. Help me, guys. Pull that, come out, come on. Get out. Being stubborn. Get out. Ooh. Need some help. I don't know how to get it up. Let me mix it first. I'm tired, guys. Help me. Here we go. It's loosen up. Come on. Come on. Finally. Thank you. All right, guys. Now mix it all together. Then we will simmer it for 30 minutes. Then I'll come back in 30 minutes. All right, guys. Okay, guys, it's time to check. It's been simmering in 30 minutes now. Here we go. It's done. Now we can taste it. We have to adjust if we need some salt and pepper. Let's try. Oh, a little bit of mushroom. Taste it. Tastes good. I think we need to add pepper. Salt is fine, we don't need any more. We need black pepper. Now it's time to serve. We can plate them. Oh, that's my timer, by the way. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, like this video, please press the thumbs up and give me a like below and share it to your friends and family. I hope you enjoy it. Have cheese garlic bread on the side. By the way, guys, shout out to Johnny Boone of one of our subscribers. He requested this spaghetti, Pinoy spaghetti. Here we go, sir Johnny Boone. Hope you like it. Till next time.
Just act sass in the Philippines.